saw a stick or something.
Come on, Papa.
Dylan.
Walk for your Nino.
Dylan. Come here. Come here. Come here.
Where? Okay. Ready?
Good boy.
Okay, drunken baby.
Good boy, baby boy. You're so good. You're such a good walker. Look at the grassy going. Look at the hand.
Captain Dylan Sparrow. Whoop! Lost his balance. Beating the stick, making him lose his balance. And again. Hits the stick, and he's on. Whoop! And again. And he's on his way. Come on, Papa.
Papas.
Come on, show Nino how you walk. Hi, Nino. Hi, Cassandra. Whoop! Dylan. Hey, Dylan. Dylan. Papa. Hey, say hi. Hi.
Look good he gets up now.
I know. Good job, Dylan.
Come here, Dylan.
Come on. Whoop.
Come on, Bunkers. Come on, Bunkers. It's kind of nice having a dog, right? It's kind of nice having a little dog, don't you think? If it's trained properly.
Whoa! Get up! Get up!
Dylan. Dylan.
Hey. Dylan. Dylan. Boo. There we go. Stand up. Good job, Papa.